Hello class and welcome to week 3. Congratulations on making your way through week 2. I know we had a lot of videos to get through to go over masking, but now that you've made it, it's time to get into something a little more fun. We're going to be working with Smart Objects, which is an incredibly powerful tool Photoshop has. It's a way to put a file inside of a file and then protect it so that you can do non-destructive edits. We're going to be using this in conjunction with the threshold adjustment layer so that we can create some beautiful artwork. And I just wanted to demonstrate a few student pieces that I liked from previous semesters. Here you can see some roses that are white on a pink background. Here we have an iguana, which I think is excellent. You're starting to see a theme. Here we have a man with a bouquet. And notice the stark black on the colored background. Over here we have what looks like a Honda Civic. And here we have some flowers blooming in the art courtyard. Actually, if you've been to the Modesto Junior College East Campus art courtyard, there's a beautiful tree that has large pink blossoms, and in fact this is a photo that they took. So for this assignment I'm going to demonstrate how to create a smart object, and within that smart object create a series of adjustment layers that will transform a normal image into a sort of black and white lithographic image, which is pretty exciting. So hold on and check out these amazing videos, and do let me know if you have any questions. Additional information is posted on the website, but if you can't find something or you're not sure I answered it or I wasn't clear enough for you, let me know and I will respond as soon as possible. Okay, have fun with the next set of videos.